Good morning, students. Students, we are reading Chapter 4 Games and Activities. Students, in our previous video, we taught about importance of games, how important games for us, and types of games, indoor games, outdoor games, and rules of play. And today's our next topic is settling disputes. Disputes are very common while playing, but it is important to settle them peacefully. During national or international tournaments, umpires and referees monitor games so as to avoid dispute or unfair play. We should try to avoid disputes and arguments as much as possible. Whenever some disputes arise, we should solve them peacefully. Discrimination. Sometimes social disputes also arise among children due to caste, economic status, etc. We should never discriminate anyone on the basis of caste, creed, religion, and gender. It is ethically incorrect and against law and order. Activities in schools. Schools not only provide education to students but also opportunities for other activities. This helps in the development of the overall personality of the students. For example, students regular physical training. Schools appoint physical training instructors. They teach students the correct way of exercising. Why? Because regular physical training keeps children fit and strong. In some schools, physical training, that means PT, is done every day after the morning assembly. This we can see in this picture also. Okay. Next is sports and games. Students, sports and games are good forms of physical exercise. This we all know, right? Schools organize different sporting events in the school all through the year. They encourage students to take part in games and sports activities. Okay. Next is quizzes and debates. Events like quizzes and debates are also organized by schools, and these activities increase the knowledge of students. So students, we taught about there are some activities which help in the development of the overall personality of the students. So our next topic is activities after school. Children go out to play games and do various activities after they come back from school. All boys and girls play many games together, such as lock and key, hide and seek, etc. Kite flying is also enjoyed by many children. Children enjoy flying kites of different sizes, shapes, and colors. A special thread called manja is used to fly these kites. Also, on certain occasions such as Makar Sankranti and Independence Day, people fly kites. Okay. So students, in this chapter we taught about importance of games and activities. And after this we can say that students, we all know playing games or sports have a huge impact on the holistic development of a child. Either be indoor games or outdoor games, both have significant outcomes on the mind of the young. Right? Students, In this chapter we taught about games and activities, and we all know games and activities are very essential for all of us to stay fit and strong. But in this COVID-19 time, we have some limitations. We can't go outside for the games and all. So what should we do? We should stay at home and follow some important point which I am telling you one by one. Okay? First, do some exercise and try some meditation. We can do Surya Namaskar also. Meditation will help you to stay calm and positive, right? Next is keep some time for your creativity, right? We can do drawing, painting, dancing, singing, etc. And for our mental ability, play some indoor games. Okay. Next point is healthy eating. We should do some healthy fruits and vegetables regularly. Next is spend time with your family. In our day-to-day life, we all are busy, but we should spend time with our family also. So students, by following all these tips, we can keep our body fit and strong in COVID-19 time also, right? So this is the end of this class, and for the next chapter we will meet again in our next class. So thank you and bye bye. Stay home, be healthy, be safe.